Hello! Let's learn new idiom of the day. The early bird catches the worm. This idiom means that the person who takes action or gets started early in the day is more likely to be successful than someone who waits or procrastinates. Additionally, it's a fun and catchy way of encouraging people to be proactive and efficient. Before going to see an example, please do subscribe our channel and get notified for next idioms. I'm going to get up early and start working on my project. After all, the early bird catches the worm.